Hi guys, and welcome to another recipe, Chaffles for Life, episode 45. Easy peasy Chaffles, not so easy. So I bought a frother there, and what I did was I cracked 2 eggs in simple salt and seasoning with salt and pepper. And then you can see me whisking it up over here in the video segment. And then when I wanted to do the easy peasy Chaffle method with the ultra thin cheese, I took about a fourth of a cup of egg mixture, and I was just showing the cheese and how paper thin it is. It works out really well most of the time. But what happened was I didn't realize, because I had whipped my eggs instead of just mixing them up with the fork. And it ended up rising quite significantly. And what happened was it ran the mini dash. And then what I did with the egg area, the egg Chaffle rather, I just cut it around to make it work for me, and that happened on both of them. And I thought of it, and then of course the Chaffle maker, I cleaned it up from yesterday, and I spent pretty much a half an hour cleaning it. And then okay, now I got to clean it again. So like again, don't be afraid to experiment. I still ate the Chaffles; they were still good, and then I cooked up some sausages in the air fryer. And then I did 2 eggs over easy. One of them broke while I was, trying to flip it. And then I had put the pan on too high, and consequently, what happened was it browned up the butter a little bit. But they were still good. I still ate it, and everything came out really fine. The Chaffle was really fine. It was just I didn't like the way it overfilled. So we'll get better on the next one. It's a fun part about learning and experimenting with cooking, and But anyways, thank you for watching. I'm glad you've been enjoying all these videos I've been putting out, and thank you for coming along. Hey, if you know how to run a playlist, can you help me out by running one of my playlists? And then thank you for subscribing to my channel, coming along my journey, and have an amazing day. Be watching for the next video.